Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your pages are out of order in Goodnotes, don't worry, you can quickly rearrange them using the thumbnail view. This helps you keep your notes structured and easy to follow. So that's why in this guide I will show you step by step how to reorder pages in Goodnotes fast and simple. So first thing, open your notebook. For example, launch Goodnotes, open the notebook you want to edit, start from any page. For example, I don't have many pages. I have, I think, repeated pages here, and the last one is the blank one. So open thumbnail view, okay, tap the 4 square thumbnail icon, and then as you can see, we have here many options. Okay, you will see all pages as small preview, and this is where you manage pages. So drag and drop pages. Okay, drag it into or drag it to a new position, release it to place it, and then page is instantly moved. Okay, it works like moving apps on your phone. Okay, you can also reorder multiple pages, so this is optional. Tap select, choose multiple pages, drag them together because it's useful for reorganizing sections. Okay, you can exit thumbnail view, tap any page and return to normal view. Okay, so your new order is saved automatically. Common mistakes, for example, not using thumbnail view, dropping pages in wrong place, moving pages one by one unnecessarily, forgetting to check final order. Okay, disorganizing structure while moving. So always double check order. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.